How to add a tag in Keap. First, go to Keap website and log into your account with email and password. Then go to CRM, then Settings in the main navigation menu. Then click Tags. After that, click on Add Tag. Set up your tag here. First, enter a name. Then, choose a category or create a new category by entering it into the other field. Add a description to remind you and other users of the purpose of the tag. After that, click Add Tags. The tag is now available in any area of Max Classic that allows you to apply a tag. You can click the Manage Tags button located to the right of the contact record. That's it. Thanks for watching.